Welcome to Garden Center by Black Tulip Group. We have the modernized greenhouse in Warsan area. The total area is 30,000 square feet. We have a fan and pad cooling system here. The technology we adopted here is from Netherlands. We have totally 27 movable trays. We can keep more than 30 tons of plants here. Every week we are importing 3 to 4 tons of plants from Netherlands. We have both flowering plants as well as the foliage plants, both are there. These are the recently arrived plants today for a special order. We have as per the lighting capacity, we have arranged the plants in a respective manner. In the fan side where we have provided maximum light, where we can keep sun-loving indoor plants in this side. In here we have placed most of the flowering plants we placed here where the temperature is low as well as the light intensity is low. We have the water system in the underground. In all these 27 trays, we have mentioned the tray number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So totally we have 27 trays. In all the trays we have a pipe like this. From this, if we on the system on the main board, the water will come from the bottom. So the water will come from this area too, it will spread to the whole tray. Our walk-in customers, they are coming with their children, they come with their bus, they used to take the pictures. We do the very good service to our customers. The friendly environment things we create to our customers, that's why they are coming to us, they are buying from us, they support us. Per day we walk-in customers, we are receiving so many inquiries in social media also. By seeing our continuous posts, they used to send a WhatsApp inquiries through emails. And we do sell pots also. We have so many materials like ceramic, GRP, fiber, stainless steel, and we have wooden pots, we have GRP pots, and we have different shape pots.